Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Fluid Art with Macrame Elegance. Welcome. Let's do some painting. We are going to start out doing a bloom with Nicolazo Gold. Next we have by Golden Pyrrole Orange. Then we have Liquitex Magenta. I have Pebeo Iridescent Green Blue. I have Golden's Ultramarine Violet. Let's see, we're moving. Wipe my hands. And we have some by Golden Gold Bright. And now I'm going to use two cell activators after I pop the bubbles. Black, oxide black, and white, titanium white. All right, let's blow this up. See what we get. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to put, I had a layer of white paint, but it was thin. I forgot to put a layer of pillow paint down. So, woo, here we go. Oh, pretty colors. But I put too much paint on, so I need to get some more paint off. I need to make this on a bigger canvas.